Hey, how's it going, guys? Here it is. What's today? Today is Wednesday, May the 3rd. And on the last video, I told you guys that I would bind it with a kit before or by the end of the week. And I have done that. This is nothing that I haven't done before. It's just a different company. And it's a little outside of my comfort zone, but, I think you guys will like it. So let me show you what we got. Oh yeah, we big time in this time. Went off and got a Serpent kit. S411. Now I understand that this is an entry level touring car kit, and that's all good and well. But all the touring cars that I've had in the previous builds have been Tamiya TT01s, TT02s, even some TL01s from back in the day, and some other regular everyday on-road kits. This one is a game changer as far as that goes. I saw one down at the hobby shop today, and wow is all I can say. The parts and the finish on that thing was immaculate. It was unbelievable. Now this one doesn't come with a body. As you can tell, that box is super thin, so there's no body in there, and there's no wheels and no tires, and I'm not worried about that. But my buddy Otto, I got to tell you, is probably one of the coolest guys I've ever had the pleasure of dealing with. He did give me that body there that came off of an S411 ready to run. Now, I don't know that I'm going to use that body, but man, what a bonus. It looks kind of dull because it still does have the protective film on it, but I'm not going to use it right now, so I'm not going to pull the film, and so I just got it hanging on the wall. But this thing, oh my God. Now it is belt driven. It does have two belts on it, but you couldn't ask for a better kit, fit and finish wise. Let's get into this thing, open it up. Now I'm not going to open individual bags if there's bags inside, but let's just check it out and see what's going on with it. All right, so the lid's off the box, and then this is the top level of the box. I'm going to open it up, spin it around, and we have a ton of bags. Let's find the chassis, the actual chassis. Show you guys this thing. This is basically like a carbon fiber in a way. So look at that. It's a nice, well, give you an idea, nice thick chassis plate. I don't know what is what here. And some of this stuff has got some weight to it, man. I mean, it does. More and more parts, but as you can see, no body. And I couldn't get one in this thin little box anyway. And no wheels, no tires. I'm not worried about that. I have wheels and tires, but there's full bearings for this kit. That is a major thing. The price of it, it was just under $200. Oil for the shocks, grease for the differentials, and then the thing that I found a little concerning when I first opened the box, when I brought it home, was the fact that, here is the decal sheet. All right, there's nothing else in the bottom of this box. You see, there's no paperwork or anything anywhere. All right, so you have this thing here, right? Nothing on the other side. So, as I tell you, there's no manual for this thing. Well, here's something that I've never seen before. This actually has, you flip this out, this piece here, there's your manual. Right there. There's no paper manual. It's all on this nifty little, I guess you call it a zip drive. And so it brings that up, And it's every single page of the manual for the build of this car. There it is there, once it's finished, or a CAD drawing. But highly detailed, very detailed, 60 page worth, as you can see. And this is something like I've never seen before. There's the rear diff with the with the belt, as you can see, and then this is assembling the front diff, and there's another belt that has to go on it. But really, really fascinating to me, man, because that is super cool to have that kind of access instead of having to flip through a manual and risk spilling stuff all over it because I'm a clumsy you know what. And so this is going to be one fun build from, you know, the actual build aspect, and the fact of having to do it off his computer kind of makes it, to a nerd like myself, it's just, you know, it's just, it has a huge wow factor. I know it's probably, that probably doesn't make a hill of beans to anybody else, but I think it's super cool. And I cannot wait to get started on this thing. Will I get started on it? I'm not exactly sure. I'm not going to start on it tonight. I've got parts that are on the way today for the holiday buggy. We've got parts that are coming in between Saturday and Monday for two other vehicles, one being the SMT10 Monster, and of all things, that red Volkswagen. Here we go again. The red Volkswagen right there. So I may start on this Saturday. Not sure. Depends on if we have anything planned. If not, I'm kind of hold this right now until I plan a little more on which direction. I'm thinking I've got the right body. So I'm going to repurpose a body, but it's a body that I really, really like, and I hate to just see it sit around. And I've already got a set of wheels that will complement it. Will it be effective? Will they be effective as a race platform? Probably not, but I can always pick up a set of race tires and wheels down at the hobby shop because he's got a wall full right now. But Otto, thank you for letting me buy this car. Thank you for that gorgeous orange body back there. And just thanks, man. Thanks for listening to me, and thanks for allowing me to enjoy this hobby with good people of like mind, and just good people, period. For you guys that are watching, hey, thanks for taking a look. Remember to go to the channel homepage here on YouTube and over to the, let's see if you're looking at your screen, it's going to be on your right hand side. There is an icon for an Instagram and a Facebook that you can choose to follow whether you want to or not. And also consider liking, subscribing to the channel. I'm not monetized, not trying to be. I'm just trying to enjoy this hobby and share it with as many people that enjoy this hobby as well. Till the next one, you guys take real good care, and we will talk to you real soon. See ya.